now we've got aviation travel expert Bobby Laurie. He joins me now live in studio. Bobby, all right, so what advice can you give us? Because these are a lot of people on the roads and in the skies.
Yes, number one, I would say pack your patience. Because just like you were mentioning earlier, everything's going to be crowded. The airports are going to be packed.
Right.
Lots of folks going on cruises this year as well. Boarding a cruise ship, never easy, never fun, usually a couple hours there. And always plan ahead. Something we were actually just discussing about rental cars this year too. You know, everyone thinks you can just arrive in your destination and go rent a car if you plan on doing so. But everyone's sold out right now. So if you don't have that reservation in advance, you're going to get there and then find yourself needing another mode of transportation.
Well, let me stick with that for just a second, because that is a scenario I'm finding myself in. So if you do get to an airport and you don't get a rental car, what do people do?
At that point, look at rideshare. It depends on how far you're going. Look at rideshare, look at taxis, look at calling a friend or someone else, because there's really nothing else you can do. Maybe go to a secondary airport, go to a different location that might have cars available.
I just had planes, trains, and automobiles with John Candy. All right, 4th of July air travel up 7% from last year. So why the increase? I mean, because we're talking about inflation, we're talking about people having money troubles, but now people are flying.
I think we're looking at more people actually traveling, which is also causing the demand to go up. Plus, we're looking at those delays with Boeing getting new airplanes out of the factory. So there's less planes out there than they were expecting, which means that there's higher demand.
All right, so if we do want to save on airfare, I was just telling you before when we were in commercial break, that this ticket that I'm trying to get to Sacramento, California is outrageous. It's cheaper to go to Paris. So how can people find the cheapest airfare right now?
So then why didn't you go to Paris? No.
I know, right? I should have gone the other way.
Exactly. Well, you know, there is that myth that you would find a cheaper flight on a Tuesday if you went shopping for it. That's not necessarily true. But you do want to look at those off-peak travel days. If you travel on a Monday or a Wednesday, you're going to find cheaper tickets. If you're trying to travel on a Friday or a Sunday, that's where you're going to find those more expensive tickets. The day before and after a holiday, always going to be the most expensive.
Well, wait a minute. I want to rewind what you just said. So, because my friends always say that it's cheaper to buy a ticket on specific days. Does that not matter?
It doesn't matter. In fact, you know, airlines have changed their websites so much with new modern technology that if you're shopping for an airline ticket, let's say 3 times in a day, the website knows, because of the cookies on your computer, that you're looking for that specific routing. So you're going to start to see those higher fares. And also, if you shop for an airline ticket on an Apple device versus a Windows device or an Android, you're going to see 2 different prices.
Really?
So you do definitely want to try those Windows devices, those Android devices, and do it yourself. You'll be amazed.
Interesting. We were just showing some of the top airports where they are the most busy, if we can put that back up. I understand that you travel here to talk to us.
I did.
Where'd you come from, and how was it?
I came from Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, came on Amtrak, and the train was packed.
Was it?
Absolutely packed, and so was Penn Station when I arrived here. Everyone's out there, everyone's traveling right now.
Yeah, I go through Grand Central a lot too, and you're right. I mean, it is absolutely elbow to elbow a lot of the time. Subway's also very busy. Bobby, any last tips you can give us?
Yeah, I would say, you know, if you have the time to do it, use a travel advisor, use a travel agent. They're back after the pandemic. They have your best interest in mind. They'll monitor your flights for you. They'll monitor all the delays and cancellations, and then you have someone in your corner rather than going to the airline customer service line and wait in line for 3 hours if something happens.
Bobby, thank you so much for coming in and talking to us today. I hope your Amtrak goes well going the other way.
Good luck going back to Sacramento.
Thank you very much. We appreciate it. All right, Bobby, we'll see you soon.